My name's Therese Rutherford. I spent 27 years being Therese Bell on a farm down south, adored bringing up two sons on 4,500 acres, had a beautiful rural life in a beautiful rural community, but a little bit sad that I didn't know how to respect the values of my husband and he didn't know how to respect my values. So our relationship broke down and I left the farm 4 years ago and did a lap of Australia in a caravan on my own while I waited for a financial outcome and discovered Jindin and discovered a lot of stuff about myself and my strengths and my hyper independence and all sorts of different things that I am actually quite proud of. Now that I'm in Jindin, I'm enjoying revisiting another rural community, even though I feel like I'm in suburbia because I'm in a town. So how exciting to have a wheelie bin and a garage door with a remote, all sorts of wonderful things. But I'm mostly proud of the fact that I'm emotionally healing from my marriage breakdown and I'm meeting wonderful people, that I've started my own business in my own right, and I maintained my sense of being capable. And I'm looking forward to contributing to this community and to my family life and meeting my new future person. I'd been here a year and a half when I started a course 12 months ago, and it's gave me some fabulous tools to expand the track that I put myself on. And I was needing to improve my self-confidence and my self-esteem after my marriage breakdown. And it was a 12-month course that was a weekly Zoom and online modules. It gave me a reference and a program to work around and a whole network of people that had had similar traumas to me. And that just opened up so much for me that removed a lot of my loneliness, the difficulty of coming to a new community and not knowing anyone, and set me up with tools to re-engage with the world, re-engage with community and contribute again and repair sort of traumas that I haven't had much control over. So this course has just 100% been invaluable for those reasons. I think I've got siblings over East that are very thankful that I've done this course. They're a long way away. It's difficult to provide that much support. And they've dealt with me saying, I'm fine, I'm fine. So on behalf of them, I think, yeah, I'd like to say thank you to them too. And probably my two sons.